Welcome to MadeCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Yes,
Hi. What is your name and nationality?
my name is Aileen Aligada from Bacolod, Central Philippines.
Okay. What kind of job are you looking for?
I was particularly I'm looking for a nanny job.
Nanny job. What is
Yeah.
your visa situation?
My visa situation is a company visa and it will ended on January 22nd, 2014.
2014. But you can start work immediately.
Yeah, right away I
Okay.
can.
In which cities and countries are you willing to work? For example, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Fujairah.
Particularly in Abu Dhabi.
You like to work in Abu Dhabi. In Abu Dhabi
Yeah.
only?
Uh, Maybe I will off also to Dubai
Okay. Abu Dhabi and
and,
Dubai.
and Dubai.
Okay. Tell me something about your last job. What was your last job?
My last job is my important task is I am a nanny of two twins. They are from American family.
Mm-hmm.
They are exactly 1 year old when I leave them.
Mm-hmm.
My tasks are feeding them, look after them,
Mm-hmm.
playing with them, taking care when they are not feeling well, change pampers, checking them during in the night, and there are timings when it comes to give them food.
How old were the children? How old were the twins?
When I come to their family, they are 5 months, and unfortunately, I did not stay longer because there is something came out that we did not expect that they have to go back in their homeland.
Ah,
So, but they are willing to give should be they are willing to give me a visa because they like me so much. But unfortunately, there is something came out that they have to
they
go.
have to go. They will leave. They will leave the country.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
So that's the reason why you have to look for a new employer. Okay.
yeah,
What
yeah.
are your salary expectations?
My salary expectation because I am I am too I will be honest to you. I am 2,100 to them, so should be the
It
same
should be the same,
also.
but are you willing to accept 2000 or
Yeah. I'm willing to haggle. I mean, I'm
you're
willing
willing to
to if
negotiate?
they wanted.
Okay, but
Yeah.
your minimum expected salary is only from 2000. 2000.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
single or married?
I'm separated and I have one daughter way back in
Your daughter
Philippines.
is in the Philippines. Who's taking care of your
Yes, ma'am.
daughter?
She looked after my mother.
Your mother is taking care of your daughter, right? Okay.
Yeah.
As a nanny,
Yeah.
which activities do you perform with kids?
Mostly there are too many tasks when you perform to the kids, especially when they are awake. You have to be playful with them, and the most task, the most important, the most vital task that you have to perform is you have to love them with all your
Mm-hmm.
heart because that's the most important.
Okay. So, do you also teach them how to, for example, read, write, sing for them, read books?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, of course. Especially when they grow up, when I teach the previous babies that I'm taking care because
Mm-hmm.
they I think they wanted to talk, so you have to talk with them with fluently because they will
Okay.
recognize that you have to teach them how to talk, and if they grown up, I have to teach them how
Okay.
to write. I read them a story every
Okay.
night.
If the baby is crying, what will you do to calm him down?
uh, if the babies are crying, there are a few reasons. Sometimes they are not comfortable what they have, or sometimes they feel they are not feeling well. So you have to be sensitive also. If you are a nanny, you have to feel what they have feel
Okay.
as well.
So you will check what's wrong with the baby. Okay.
Yeah,
If
yeah. I- In short, you have to what do you call this? There are terms that you have to be sensitive.
you
Other
have to be sensitive to her, yeah.
mm, we're
Yeah,
like a
okay.
vigilant,
Okay, if one of
you
the
know.
children hurts himself, for example, the child is playing and he accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
I encountered that situation too many times, because if the
Oh,
baby is started to walk, you cannot avoid that he will hurt himself
uh-huh.
or herself. So in that case, you have to
Mm-hmm.
focus yourself. You have to focus yourself when you look after them, because that's very a vital situation. That so in order
Mm-hmm.
that they will be safe. And if they will be hurt, you have they're just only an angel or a baby that you have
Okay.
to pamper with them.
Okay, as a housekeeper, which task will you perform every day in the house? Mm-hmm.
As a housekeeper, yeah, because in every house there
Mm-hmm.
is a simple rules. There is a simple rules. There is an in every house there is a rules. The last house
Mm-hmm.
that I work on, my schedule was in the morning. Uh, First, I have to take care of the babies, and when they sleep, that's the time I will work.
Mm-hmm.
I have to clean the rooms, including the bathrooms, and then after to cook, because you have to
So you know how
synchronize
to
your
cook.
time also.
What kind of food?
Yeah, uh, I have experience in Lebanese family for 12 years, so I think the best dishes that I made is Lebanese, but I know how to cook Asian and
So what do
Mediterranean
you
food.
prefer? Doing household chores, caring for kids, or cooking?
I love cooking as well, because for me cooking is a relaxing time. But my
Okay,
best hobby, I love to
care for
take care
them. Okay,
babies,
how long do
because
you
I love
envision
babies
staying
so
in this
much.
job? How long? For example, 2 years, 3 years, or what?
It does not question of how long. If the employer and the employee are in good terms, I think there is no question about that if
Mm-hmm.
the relationship
Yes, yes.
are good.
Okay.
You know what
Are
I
you
mean?
in good health? You're in excellent health.
Yes,
Okay. Are you
excellent.
comfortable with
I'm in
animals such as
excellent health.
cats and dogs, for instance? Are you comfortable with pets?
Mm,
No. Okay.
to be honest, no.
Mm-hmm.
But
So,
dogs, I think
yes.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
But cats,
Cats, you don't like cats. Okay. If I am the employer,
no.
I will ask you, why should I
Yes.
hire you as a nanny to my children and as my housemaid? Why should I hire you?
Okay, I think if you are my employer, I will because I will love your children with all my heart, and if you love somebody, you have
Okay.
to taking
So
care of
you will
them.
take good care of my children. That's why I have to choose you.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I'm
So
flexible
what
when
are
it
your
comes
hobbies,
to work.
Eileen? What are your hobbies? What do you do during your spare time?
I'm doing my spare time. I spend it to the church. I am a member of one group in the church under the
Mm.
sort of CFC. And sometimes I have some friends out of
So
the
you're a
church that
Catholic?
I spend my time with them.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Yes,
you very
I am
much
a
for your
Roman
time,
Catholic.
Eileen. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you.